What's going on, family? I am working on a Porsche bracket for a motor mount. So, working on this, got a couple things out. Here goes the batteries. I got to build a battery box for these two. But right now, I'm working on a Porsche motor mount. This is the electric Porsche. We got restoring, putting a new battery system on there, more power. So we're building an extra bracket for it. Pretty simple. We're using a 1/4-inch steel, and I'm gonna make a bracket for it to sit in there. So that's what we're working on today. I'm out in Norman. This is a 5-speed too, so it should be fun driving. I'm out here in Norman working on this today. Get my hog on. You know, I always like to say proper preparation prevents piss poor performance. So if you prepare yourself properly, there's no reason for you to fail. So just remember that when you're on your grind.